All right, traders, I am back again with another video, and in this video I want to take time to show you how to use level 2 and the active trader on Thinkorswim platform from TD Ameritrade. So I got a new video course coming out, which is a stock course teaching you a lot of concepts that I use to trade stocks, and one of them is using the level 2 and the active trader with TD Ameritrade. So I want to show you a couple things. We're just going to sit here and watch because I'm not going to really show you a trade. I just want you to see how you can observe and know what's really going on with the market. So basically you could see where the market price is here, and usually I would have a support and resistance level. I'd put my level on the chart, and when I'm at that level I'm going to use my level 2 and I'm going to use my active trader. So when we look at this, you could see the demand on this side and then the supply on this side, basically. And then this is your active trader platform. This is your active trader screen, and this is going to be your level 2 screen right here. So what this is just different exchanges. All right, and then this is your bid and your ask. So really this is your buy side and your sell side, and then it's your buy size and your sell size, basically. So you could see the orders that are coming in, pretty nice size orders coming in for buy side. So when I look at that, right, the thing is at 1452, now I was just watching this at 1448 and we were watching it go up, but there was a wall at 1448 or 1447 and we couldn't get through 1447. So the stock price wasn't going to go any higher because there was a wall above us. So we're looking at that now. You could see, so look at here, this is the sell side, and you could see these orders, 406 to 432. So it's pretty even, but now you can see some big buy orders coming in, total of 525. So the stock should be able to move past that, because look at the wall. This is the wall above you, and you have more strength to get through the wall because look at your numbers compared to the wall that's above you. So this stock should be able to get past 1450. So at the 1450 we got a lot of buy orders coming in, but at 1451 we have some sell orders, but not enough. So the demand is more than the supply at this point. So 1451 looks like where your supply level is, but you have more demand at 1450. But let's see if the demand can override 1451. So we're at 1450. That's where your supply level looks like. Okay, you can see where it's coming in. But now again, big orders at 1451. So we're going to have a hard time getting through 1451, as you can see right here. So let's watch this for a while. And you can see now bigger orders for 1451. So we're not going to get through 1451 at this point. So you could just watch and see. So how does this really help you? I mean, this helps you in a lot of ways, really, because as I show you more how we trade this with support and resistance, you're going to understand that when you get down to a level and then you start to see these orders and orders placed at this point. So sometime you'll see the orders before they even happen. You'll see orders placed at 1450, 1451 or whatever, and you'll know where your support and resistance line is, where your support and resistance level is, and you could base it on that, and you could see the demand versus the supply, and then you could start to use your price action to enter the market. So I'm going to detail it even more, but you can see we have more buys. Look at this now. So we should be able to get through 1451 because look at what's happening there. Our demand is exceeding our supply. So now the supply jumps up to 1452. That's where the wall is now, 1452. So we got up to 1451. We were able to break through 1450, 1451, but now the wall is basically sitting at 1452. Right? So we're going to be bouncing between 1450, 1451 because look at what you got. You still got a lot of buys coming in. All right. So a lot of buys still coming in, but now it looks like you got more sellers here at this point. Okay. So you could look at it, see 1451, and you could see what's happening with the market. All right. But not much moving right here. You could see because we're bouncing just a little bit, not a lot of movement. All right. And not a whole bunch of volume at this point. But the volume is, yeah, we actually got pretty good volume. Let me see what that volume is. Yeah, we got a lot of volume, really good volume. Volume is increasing. So basically, you could see the level now. See 1451. Look at all the buys that came in. So demand is picked up at 1451. Remember, 1451 was a strong supply level. Now 1452 is the strong supply level. basically your resistance level. We're going to go with resistances. Some people understand that better. So here's your support level, basically 1451, but now we're pretty even. So we're even between 1451 and 1452. All right, so you could see it's pretty even. So the market's not going to move at this point till some orders come in to overtake this, because we're pretty even, 660 to 660 something, now 700 here. So now we should see, okay, so now you could see we should be dropping a little bit, and see price starts to drop a little bit, because now look at that wall starting to drop. You get more supply here, and then the market goes. So more resistance at these levels. Now you could see a big order coming in, some big orders coming in. So now this demand is picking back up. So how do you use this? I mean, basically, you use it at support and resistance level, which is the best thing to do it at. So when you study a stock and you're using it, you want to look at your support and resistance level. So if price came down to a level, much like it would here. So I don't use Ichimoku a lot with the stocks, but with this level, if we were at this level, when I start to see what's happening, if I have more demand at this point, because you'll see it here on your active trader, and also you'll see it on your level 2. If you have more demand, then I know that's where I want to buy this stock. All right, now you could see big orders coming in here. So we should be able to get through. Look at this, big orders. We should be able to get through. Now you see, look at all these orders coming through. So now you can see the market is moving. We're up to 1456 already, and the demand is steadily increasing, outweighing supply. We should be able to move higher. All right, big orders coming in in this level here, much bigger than what you got for your sell orders. So the demand is outweighing the supply at this point, and that's going to cause this price to continue moving higher as it continually moves higher. Now if you get to a wall here where it continually outweighs the demand, then it is going to drop. All right, but at this point we're outweighing. See, look at the orders coming in, much stronger than the sell orders. All right, much stronger demand. So the price should continue to move higher as you see that happen. You can use this in a variety of ways, but I'm going to explain it to you a lot better in my stock course. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this to profit and make profit at certain levels by using this active trader and your level 2. All right, so we're just looking here and we're just studying this, and this works really well for you when you put this with supply and demand, and also looking at at your volume and at your divergence. Throw those things together and you have a strong high probability trade setups that you could use at support and resistance levels. All right, because using these, knowing where these orders are is really strong. All right, and seeing the supply and demand is strong. Look at that, more orders coming in for the buy. So this should get up to 1459, because you see you got more buys coming in that are much more than your sell orders. So we should be able to get up to 1459. So we'll watch here, watch this price move, see if it's going to move. You could see these big orders coming up. So we're up to 1458. It's going to break through this level. Now we do have some big orders coming in again a little bit. See, you could see these orders, and this is really good. It helps you a lot. Now we're dropping a little because we're getting some sell orders coming in here, and here they start to come in a little bit more. So we're stalling at 1457. Looks like we stalled a little bit. Nothing really happening in this area. So I am going to close this out, but I just wanted to give you a quick look at how you can use this so you could see these orders, and it helps you to use this. This is real good for you to use at support and resistance levels. All right, looking for that supply and demand, and looking at the levels and looking at the orders coming in, you kind of get a feel for which way the market may move. All right, so you can even see there were some buy orders way down here at 1449. So some people are expecting it to drop, and orders, they put some orders in here. But at this point, now you can see we have more sell orders that are outweighing. So we're starting to drop now. More sell orders outweighing our buy orders. Now it looks like we're evening out, so the market's going to stall. But now looks like more sell orders that are outweighing, so we're going to drop a little bit more. So it's moving kind of fast. It's you know, I can't sit here and show you like this, but you could understand the point. So I really wanted to drive that point home to you, because when we put this all together, this is just one aspect of what I'm going to be showing you. But when you put this all together with support and resistance, and you have a plan, this really works well. Look at these orders coming in now to sell, but then you got some buy orders coming in. So it's pretty even right now. So the market's going to hang around this area. But what I like to look at, basically, if I have a support level here, much like we're using the cloud, let's say we're using this cloud as a support level. If I see these buy orders coming in, I feel good. And you kind of know where, you could tell where your you can put your stop losses also based on the order sizes that are coming in and where they're coming in at. All right, so you just look down here on your level 2. That will help you with that. All right, but the immediate, see what's happening immediately, you could see right here on your active trader. So you could get this free from TD Ameritrade. If you just open up an account, you don't even have to fund your account. You could just go ahead and put in your details. Now, I don't think you have to fund your account, because I've had the TD Ameritrade for quite a while. I had it for a long time, so I'm not sure if you have to fund it, but back then you didn't have to fund it. But I have an account with TD Ameritrade, and that's what I'm using for my stocks. And I love the level 2, and the active trader helps me out really well for trading these stocks. You can see we pushed up against 1459 now, and you can see we still have big orders at 1450 to buy. So 1450 seems like a support level right there. At 1458 seems like a support level at this point, right? So you would think that's where the level, where the market's going to hold in this area, pretty much. Now, support and resistance is not just a level. It can't be just, oh, it's 1458. It has to be an area. Support and resistance is an area. So for me to say, well, 1458 is the support level, that's not exactly correct. All right, but looking at it, you could see major demand right here at 1458 and 1459 coming in versus on 1460. Look what's happening at 1460. So we're going to have a hard time getting through 1460, but we jumped up 1461. All those buy orders came in, and you got even more coming in. So you could see it. It's major. It helps you out a lot. All right. And you can see the strength basically is with the buy side. All right. And that's why this market is moving up higher. So I want to teach you how to just put that all together to be able to trade your stocks and be able to make profit using your supply and demand, support and resistance, price action, along with these level 2 and active trader on the TD Ameritrade platform with Thinkorswim. All right, guys. So hopefully this helped you out a little bit, just to see what you could do with it, and to start to understand that this is something that you might want to use and might want to do. So you can learn all this, to become a member of my site, and you can access the stock course that is going to be put down pretty soon, about to be released pretty soon, hopefully this month, sometime in June. All right. So thanks a lot, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. This is just a little taste of what you could do with this stuff. Nothing is guaranteed, so you're not going to find anything that's going to make you 100% a winner trading stocks or any other thing, but you can get into high probability opportunities by having your arsenal of weapons that you use. All right. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a great one. Till next time. God bless. So long.